If your chicken and rice dinners keep turning out dry or tasteless, you're missing the secret to making them rich and satisfying in one pan. The calorie count will vary based on your ingredients, whether you use chicken thighs or chicken breasts, white or brown rice, and of course, your portion sizes. On average, serving 4, you can expect anywhere from 430 to 520 calories per serving. This dish is protein packed, full of garlic flavor, and perfect for a quick dinner with barely any cleanup. Plus, I have added the lentils to make it even more nutritious and satisfying without the extra work. This dish is perfect if you're on a budget, or a senior, or a busy individual cooking for 1 or 2, or just want a wholesome, protein-packed dish without the hassle. If you enjoyed this episode and you're hungry for more, be sure to check out my other videos and playlists for easy, healthy one-pan meals. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any upcoming recipe. You'll find links below to some of my favorite kitchen products, including the par-cooked rice I use in this recipe. I've also included a different version of this recipe using dry rice, if you would like to try that instead. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and take care.